Collectible Motor Car of Atlanta. We've got something special today. We've got a 1993 Ford F-150 SVT Lightning. And let me tell you, this is a special truck. Ford came out with this truck to compete with Chevrolet's 454 truck. And this thing blows that one out of the water. And I'm a Chevy guy. This is basically a box body Mustang with a truck body on it. It's got different suspension from just an F-150. It's only got a 500-pound towing capacity, but you're not buying this truck to tow. You're buying this truck to beat up on some Chevrolets. And let me tell you, this thing is quick. One other thing that I want to mention before we get going is the dash is nice and clean. There's no cracks or anything. We all know that the 90s model trucks and cars, even the Chevrolets, Fords, all of them had crappy plastics, but this one is nice and clean. You can tell this one's been taken care of. You also have an upgraded Pioneer stereo system. That thing puts out some good tunes. Also, we've got good cold AC. AC still blows cold on this. We're showing 56,805 miles on the odometer. And everything works as it should in here. Also, another little cool features is the owner that owns the truck now has put LED lighting inside the truck, so when you open up the door, your map lights down here, or your flood lights, whatever they're called down here, they light up LED. As Justin just showed you there. Your headliner is in really good condition. I mean, this truck is in awesome condition. Another cool feature is you get the rare sliding glass back window. That was an option for these trucks. If I can get it open here. That allows you to hear the awesome roar of this V8, this 5.8 V8 here. But enough being said, let's get to the good stuff. Oh yeah, baby! Yeah, this truck is fun to drive, guys. This is an awesome sport truck. If you're looking for something that you can use on the weekends to go to the dump or go to Home Depot, but yet still get out and go to the car shows and cruise and have a good time, this is the one for you guys. And these trucks are increasing in value. Trucks are super hot in the market today. And you better jump on this one quick because these are doing nothing but going up in value. But with that being said, guys, if you're interested in this truck, give us a call at 770-738-7111. You can contact Justin or Chris at Collectible Motor Car of Atlanta. Thank you, guys, and we'll catch you later.